Be honest with me. How hard you find it to get your posts indexed quickly? And even when they get indexed, there's zero traffic on these blog posts. You did everything right, optimize meta tags, add the schema, and above all, you have written amazing content. But still slow indexing and no traffic on these posts. But here's the weird part. There are some posts on your website without doing anything, automatically they get indexed very quickly and start getting some traffic. So today we are going to use an AI tool which will solve the problem of indexing and getting traffic on your blog post. And not just that, this tool will automatically strengthen topical authority, rank important pages faster, improve crawl efficiency, increase page views and session duration, and recover lost authority from old content. But before we see how we can use AI tool to fix all these issues, we need to understand the core problem and secret behind it. Okay, to understand this issue, you can see this is my website and you can see I have some pages here. This is about page, this is hosting deal page, this is blog page, and this is YouTube page, and this contact page. And if I go to any page on website, for example, if I go to this page, which is hosting deals page, here you can see I have again all these links here on this page. All these links present on every page on website. And if I look at the footer, you can see again these pages, they exist on every page on website. But if I go back again to home page and then I scroll the page, you can see their latest blog posts. And they exist only on the home page and on blog page. So there are two places where these pages exist. But for example, the main pages about hosting deal, blog, YouTube, they exist everywhere. And now you must be thinking that we can also add these pages to the menu or the footer. That is not possible because we have limited space in the menu. We cannot put all the links here. So what we can do in this case, we can just take these pages and interlink them with the popular pages on our website, or we can link them with other blog posts. So these pages are very well interlinked with other pages. Maybe this can be your main pages on your website or some pages which are already getting traffic on your website. And this thing is called interlinking. Let me give you a real-time example that how you can do that. It's a very simple process. So you can see the blog post on your website which is getting a lot of traffic. And this is like remove unused CSS and GS using Asset Cleaner plugin. So what I will do now, because this post is already getting some traffic on our website, but at the same time, this post how to speed up WordPress website is not getting indexed and traffic is zero because it's not even indexed. Sometimes the content is good. So what we can do, we can interlink this blog post to the popular blog post on website. But those two blog posts should be related. Do not just forcefully interlink the posts which are not even related. For example, what I can do, so this is a post about how to speed a WordPress website and I need to find something here. For example, what I can do, I can use this text here, page speed, and I can interlink, I can add a link here, which is going to this post. So just by doing this, what I'm doing, I am passing the SEO juice from this blog post, which is a popular blog post on website, to another blog post, which is not very popular on my website and which is not getting indexed. Because I am passing the SEO juice, so Google will see, or any other search engine will see that this post is interlinked to a popular blog post on website or a post which is indexed on website. So it will consider this blog post also important blog post. And this will be indexed very quickly and we start getting traffic from this blog post because this is already getting the traffic on the website. And by doing this, what we are doing, we're passing the link juice authority to new pages on the website or pages that are not performing really very well. It helps readers to stay on your website longer by offering related content. That's why I said that you should always interlink the related content. Third thing is, it shows Google exactly which pages are important and how they are connected to each other. I think the concept is very, very simple. And by doing this, we get so many benefits. For example, we can have faster rankings, we have better crawl efficiency, we have higher session duration and recovered authority of the old content. So again, now it seems really good. Connect a weak blog post to a popular blog post or popular page or your footer or header website, and they have higher chances of getting indexed and getting traffic. It sounds really good if your website is a small website, but we have two problems here. The first problem is time. If your website is a big website or you have big blog, it will take a lot of amount of time to do all these things manually. Second problem is memory. So this is our human mind. It is not AI. So for us, it's really hard to understand, to go to every single article and remember which ones are related articles. If you have like 10-20 pages, it's totally fine. But when it is a big, huge website, our human mind cannot really find everything. Even if you try to do it, you create an Excel sheet, it will become very complicated for you and you will not be really able to manage the website SEO properly. So at this point, we need to use AI. Like I always say on this channel that please use AI carefully. Do not copy paste content from AI, but use the AI as an assistant to have better workflow. Okay, so today I found an AI tool to make this super easy, which is called AI Link Genius. And it is built right inside your Rank Math plugin. And this is a newly launched feature in Rank Math plugin. For Rank Math Pro user, you have full access of this Link Genius at no extra cost. AI Genius helps you to add internal links using AI. So you do not need to guess which post is related to which post. In just a few seconds, it will give you that which posts are related, and we can add the internal links of weaker posts to the popular post or like your main pages on your website. Okay, let me show you how it is done. For example, you can see this is a blog post on your website. If I just click here on edit post, and you can see here, this is the top section of Rank Math. If I click on Rank Math, if I scroll the page here, you can see link opportunities. If I click on link opportunities, you can see I have this option to generate. So I click on generate, and in just few seconds, you will see it will suggest me that which links I can add on this popular post on a website or main page of my website. You will have this option on all the pages of your website. So what will happen? This is a popular post or a page on a website. If I add related links from my website, this page will pass SEO juice towards those weaker posts or who are not getting indexed or who are not getting the traffic. And again, because we are using AI, so we can do all these things in just few clicks. It might take few seconds to show you the link opportunities. Okay, you can see here we have the link opportunities. So you can see here, there's a text here. This tutorial explains how to remove unused JS, CS and JS file. So what we'll do, you can see here, it can automatically connect to this blog post on my website. So what I'm doing, I'm interlinking the blog post to each other, which is creating a like a network of pages on my website other than the menus on header or on the footer. So they are going to support each other, which will build the topical authority of your website. And when people find the relevant links on the same page, your session duration will improve and people will stay on your website. So it's really easy. What I need to do here is just click here on insert link, and then you can see here this link is insert. It was so simple to insert the links, and I don't need to go through all the blog posts to see which are the related blog posts, which are not related blog posts. AI will do all this work. You can see there's another suggestion here. You can always click on insert link, and then you can see improve Google page speed score, because I already have a post which is also talking about improving the Google page speed scores. So here you can see in just few seconds we interlink few blog posts which are not getting indexed. And now when Google will crawl this page next time, or you can ask Google to recrawl your website by Google Search Console. If you want to know how to do that, check the link in description. I'll add all the details. And if you're long-term subscriber on my channel, you know how all these things is done. If you're not subscribed on the channel, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of useful content which will really help you to improve your website traffic, to improve website authority, and you will learn a lot of new AI tools which will really help you out. And subscribing is totally free, so I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. With this said, let me show another important feature with AI Link Genius. So you can click on related post here, and then if you click on generate, what it will do, it will add a related post section under this post. For example, you have all these related posts. I just click on insert related post, and you can see here the related blog post. And if I just click on save, and I just click on view post here, and you can see here, so you can see I have this link inserted here. So now this popular page on website is linked to another page on website. And if I scroll to the post, you can see here we have related posts. And now you might be thinking, okay, we already have this option related post, but those options are based on the same category. So if the same category or same tags, those posts were displayed, but here AI is choosing, it is using its own logic to decide which posts are best to be displayed on the related post section. So this is a real nice feature. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about AI Link Genius. So when you hover on Rank Math SEO plugin, you will find this option AI Link Genius. Here you can see which are the working links, which are broken links, how many redirects you have on your website, how many pages are blocked by robot.txt, and how many unchecked. You can see whole summary of your website here. If I click on posts here, you will see all the posts here and how many internal links they got, how many external links they got, how many incoming links from other domains coming to this blog post, SEO score, and type of the post. So these are all posts, and you can just click on orphan post. Orphan post means the posts which got no internal links. They are called orphan blog posts, and most of the beginners make this mistake when they have a lot of orphan posts on their website. Okay, let me show you the another great feature about AI Link Genius. If you just click on links here, you can see I have all these links exist on website. So here we can have post, how they are interlinked, and here are the links. And we just click here and you can sort internal and external links. And then you can also subcategorize them based on success, broken, redirect, robots blocked, marked, safe, and unchecked. And the great feature with Rank Math Pro and AI Link Genius is when you click on bulk update. So this is something which is very helpful for people when they have a lot of blog posts on your website. So what they can do here is they have this option to bulk update. So for example, you can choose your link time internal, no follow status, no follow, anchor type all post type, publication date. When you click on next, from here you can choose what to update, both anchor text and URL. And then you can have the setting like anchor text setting, exact match. And then you can find something here. For example, you can find page speed or any text on your website which you want to bulk update. For example, your website is about mobile phones and you can enter the iPhone 16 or anytime you can enter here and you can replace that with some other text. For example, I can say website speed. For example, I can find like x.com. So all the links on website which have this text and link to x.com, I can add a new URL here. For example, I can say maybe xyz.com and then click on next. So what it will do, if it replace, you can see update type, both anchor text and URL, then it will update the URLs to a new URL. We already have this feature in some plugins, but we don't have that feature in a SEO plugin because this is focused on SEO and internal linking. And AI Link Genius is powered by AI. So what it does most of the heavy lifting by itself. Another important feature is keyword maps. When you click on keyword map, you can create keyword map. For example, you can give a descriptive name for this keyword map. For example, you can say SEO link guide and then target URL. For example, let's say google.com. And then you can leave this option just like this. Then you can say what this link does. And then you can optionally add the description. And then this is the magic. You can click on generate AI variation. If you click on generate AI variations, it will generate all the AI variation. You can see synonym, search engine optimization, online marketing, all these things. And what I will do, I just click on add 20 variations and then create keyword map. You see, you do not need to put your own mind. AI is doing the heavy lifting for you. And then create keyword map. And now you can see the option preview and execute. So what you will do, it will execute the keywords. For example, it find 28 keywords. You can see here, I have this term on my one of blog posts called SEO. And here it changed to SEO. And then from here, empty, it changed to google.com. This is just a test to show you how it works. Please use these features carefully. They might change the internal linking on your website. So full access of AI Link Genius is available to all RankMath Pro users without any extra cost. Right now, RankMath is having a massive sale and you can get RankMath plugin at discount. The link will be in description. It will take you directly to the special discounted page. And guys, trust me, if you're really serious about your website growth and getting traffic on your website, getting pages indexed quickly, this is one of the best investment you can make for your website. And remember, AI Link Genius is only one feature. RankMath Pro plugin has so many more advantages. So in my honest opinion, don't think twice. Check the link in description. It's one of the best investment you can make in your business. And because I use RankMath Pro plugin, it makes internal linking for me piece of a cake. I'm able to set up perfect internal links within seconds using AI Link Genius. My pages are getting indexed quickly and I'm seeing traffic hit on the posts which are not getting traffic because I use AI Link Genius to interlink those weaker posts to the other content. And overall, what I'm doing here is creating the topical authority website because I'm connecting them to each other. So Google sees my website as authority. And I'm really impressed with AI Link Genius. You can really see how many links are working, how many broken links, how many no-follow links do you have on your website. Right now, I do not have no-follow links, but you can see if you have no-follow links on your website, how many redirects you have, how many pages are blocked by robot.txt, and how many marked safe and unchecked. And guys, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and nerd up your SEO game. And drop a comment if you have any question about AI Link Genius, RankMath, SEO, or any other question about your website. I read all the comments on my channel and I will definitely reply you. If you want to take your website to the next level, check this video on the screen.